Hey guys, and welcome back to another Monday Motivation Clean with me to start your week off right. I hope you're all well and had a wonderful weekend. Today I have for you a lot of cleaning motivation in the kitchen, including a much needed deep clean of our oven, as well as doing lots of things to brighten up January and just embrace the season. I also have a dressing room makeover update for you guys, so give this video a big thumbs up if it gave you the motivation you needed, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. While we're in the dressing room, I thought to finish off I would give you a update in here of the makeover going on. This has taken me quite a while because I'm doing so much paneling in here, but we will get there definitely. I've got an aim to finish this room, so I am just doing a little bit each day. But I wanted to show you this area. I'd say this and the wardrobe has like the most progress. Sorry it's a little bit dark in here. The weather is crazy today. 1 minute is sunny, the next minute it's dark, raining and hailstones. So this bit, actually, speaking of it being dark, I am going to be putting 2 wall lights, so one in that panel that needs to go on and then one in that panel. I've seen some beautiful ones from Pookie, and they have all of their rechargeable ones for the wall as well now, and I think they will look beautiful in this dressing table area. So it's kind of hard to show you, but I'll just zoom back so you can see I have done another picture in here similar to the one in the bedroom. From the picture to the ceiling will be a different colour, and then the main part of the dressing room will be a neutral shade. In here is, well, actually all of the house is painted this really dreary grey colour, so I'm excited to brighten this up in here. These panels have been done, but as you can see I just have that one and this wall one here to do. The ones I have done I've just primed as I go along. And then if you're wondering why there's this piece of paper on here, that is the outline of the mirror, so we know where to drill. I think you guys have seen this mirror before. It's this beautiful one that I got from IKEA years ago, but I absolutely love it. Then the other update that I will give you for now, if you guys do want more updates, I do actually regularly post on my Instagram stories of anything I've done that day in here or what I'm planning to do. But we have extended, Ben and I have extended the IKEA PAX unit up here so that we take advantage of this space. I felt like the top bit was wasted space, so we just wanted to extend it so we've got a lot more storage, which is exciting. And then I just put a trim on, but this needs to be primed, trimmed, filled, caulked and all that good stuff. So it's definitely a work in progress, but I'm excited to see how it turns out. And then I do have a new light for here. So that is it for now. I will definitely keep you updated over on my Instagram home account. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all your support as always. Have a great one guys, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, bye.